These are the snacks slash incidentals. $25 Fiji water, and I'll show you the pricing on the tablet device. This cooler here has stuff, but it has a nice sign that says if you move it, they'll charge you. That's why I put the backpack over here. I was so afraid of being charged, but I'll show you. This was empty when we got here. And surprisingly, there's an empty spot over here too. My wife has a adjoining room, and it's same empty spots over here and here, and as well as back over here, empty spots. So we haven't touched anything. And this thing doesn't close well. And we're putting this in front so remind people not to come here. So from here you can press take one of these. Let me wait. I think you press the minibar, and then from here, so press minibar. Here you can press snacks. So those cashews are $20. Cookies are $13. Gummies were $17. So they're all around $12 or more. It's just shut off for some reason. I wonder why. It's rebooting. It's kind of funny. I'm pressing the power on here, and it won't turn on because it says it's out of power. So I guess the dock wasn't working well. So it's turning on this time. There's a sign behind this when you take it off the dock that there's a $500 charge for the tablet. But it's low on battery, so we'll try turning on it later. Looks like it's malfunctioning down here. I took the thing up and it's light red. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. It just shut off on us. You saw I didn't do anything special, so we'll check it back in 30 minutes. So from the home menu, just click minibar. Hopefully it doesn't turn off on me. We're looking at snacks. It's cashews. They cost, what do you call it? $20, $20.50. Chocolate chip cookies, small bag costs $13. So everything's around, above $10 and under $20. Gummy bears are $16. The little box of Pringles that you saw, that was $13.75. Rice Krispie treats were $12.75. Trail mix is $25. Truffle chips, which I'll show you. These truffle chips are $22. These are the gummy bears. Trail mix. So we'll go back over there. Sriracha beef jerky. So let's go back over there. So that beef jerky was $20. Truffle chips were $22. Trail mix, wow, it's $25 and it looks like a small bag. And the cookies and gummies, cookies were $13.75 and gummies were $16.75. Let me show you again. These cookies, these gummies. Trail mix. I think that trail mix was like 20 something. Anyways, so you saw it's pretty pricey. So chips, trail mix, and spicy jerky, they're all above $20. Trail mix being almost $25. Now, let's go over to beverages. So you can order a Coke for about $13.75. The crazy thing was the Fiji wire, which I'll show you, 1 liter one, is almost $25. This thing over here is $24.75. My dad was going to drink one of these, and I was going to have a heart attack. Go back over here and show you that battery's in pain over here. Anyways, there's other drinks inside there, which are like regular sized drinks, and they're all like $13.75. I guess you could look at the liquor. Other people were probably interested in the liquor inside there. So you're talking about $15 for a drink to $20-something. Just don't touch the wine. The wine is $75. The Patron is $80. So I'll set you back some money. The vodka is also $78.75. So keep in mind, this alcohol in the fridge is pretty expensive off of the Minibar.